Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hima Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a wonderful breakfast combo. You can also enjoy it for a nice evening meal. We're going to see how to make these delicious aloo puris along with this incredibly delicious Punjabi Chole Masala. So let's get started and check out the recipes. For the aloo masala puri, I've taken 3 medium-sized potatoes, pressure cooked it, I've boiled it. So I'm going to peel off the skin and I'm going to put it into a bowl. Transfer the boiled potatoes to a bowl. So I'm just going to mash it all up. So we're making the masala that's going to be mixed into the dough. To the mashed potato, I'm going to add a few spices, starting with half teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon cumin powder and half teaspoon garam masala powder. To this I'm going to add a handful of chopped coriander leaves. So just mix it all in. So I've made the masala for the puri dough. Keep this aside. So next I'm going to mix the dough for the puris. For this, take about 2 cups of wheat flour, that is atta. To this add quarter teaspoon of salt. Just mix the salt in. Add about 2 teaspoons of oil. So I've taken about 1 cup of the mashed potato mix. Just mix it in. To the flour I'm going to add some hot water and mix everything till you get a nice soft malleable dough. So you can see the dough has come together very nicely. I'm going to knead for about 5 minutes till it's all well combined. It's got a nice smooth surface. Just drizzle a little oil on top of the dough, rub it all over the dough. Close the bowl and let it sit for about 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, if you see, the dough is beautiful, it's nice and soft. So I'm just going to divide the dough into dough balls. So whatever size puris you want to make, you can just divide it into that size. Now you don't want it too large, so this is a good size. Dust the rolling surface with some flour. Roll out the dough ball to medium thickness. You don't want it too thin or too thick. Now I'm using a cutter to get it nice and even. You can use a lid from any dabba to get this nice round shape. So you can see this is a good thickness. Keep this aside. Now let's make the puris. Take a kadai, pour enough oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, gently drop the rolled out dough to the hot oil. So if you see, if you gently press the puris on the side, they puff up. So this is a nice trick or a tip that you can use while making your puris. Once the puris puff up and come to a nice golden brown color, remove from the oil and serve it nice and hot. I've soaked 2 cups of chickpeas overnight. So next I'm going to pressure cook this. To the pressure cooker, add the soaked chickpeas. Add enough water so that the chickpeas are immersed. Unlike the typical chole masala, to get this nice rich and brown color, I'm adding a tea bag. To this I'm also going to add a piece of cinnamon and a piece of bay leaf. Add a teaspoon of salt and a pinch of baking soda. Close the pressure cooker and cook for a couple of whistles till the chickpeas are cooked. Wow, so you can see this lovely rich brown color. Remove the tea bag, the bay leaf and the cinnamon stick. Now to make the chana masala, to a nice wide kadai, add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add cinnamon, bay leaf and cumin seeds. Next add 2 large onions finely chopped. Saute the onions till they're a nice golden brown color. Next add 1 large teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it in. Add 2 large tomatoes chopped. Saute the tomatoes till they are nice and mushy. Add 2 slit green chilies. Now we're going to add all the spice powders, starting with half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1.5 teaspoons of garam masala powder, and 2 teaspoons amchur powder. That is the dry mango powder. Next, add a teaspoon of salt. Mix everything till it's all well combined. Now add the cooked chickpeas and mix everything together. Add about half cup of water. Close the kadai and let it cook for about 10 minutes on medium flame. So after 10 minutes, you can see the chana masala is coming together beautifully. I'm just going to add 2 ingredients to finish this off. Add about 2 teaspoons of anardhana powder. Take 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, crush it between your palms and add it to the chana masala. So this is going to add a lot of flavor to the chana masala. Finally, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of ghee because I like this nice rich flavor. This is entirely optional. So this delicious Punjabi Chole masala is ready and we're going to make some delicious fresh puris to go with this. So finally, I'm just garnishing with some chopped coriander leaves and some juliennes of ginger. So enjoy this delicious Punjabi Chole masala with puris or chapatis or any roti of your choice.